Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be chatting about my March favorites, and some of these products are some that I have used in my videos. Others are just some oldies but goodies, and I have kind of a little bit of everything, some skincare, some makeup. So if you guys are interested in seeing my March favorites, then please continue watching. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see so far. Also, don't forget to click that notification button so you guys can be notified when I post new videos each week. And let's get into the video and chat about some cool stuff. All right, the first product I picked up at Ulta recently, I was shocked at the price. I think it was $7, but it is by Badescu. I think that's how you say it. And this is a facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And when I saw this, it just intrigued me because I love to add new things to my skincare regimen to try out, and you know, I'm all about that skincare. Super intrigued with this, and I've also seen on Ulta and online a lot of people raved about this brand. So this spray is supposed to replenish the skin with an infusion of calming botanicals and lavender essential water. This facial mist delivers a soothing boost of hydration as antioxidant vitamin C, which I love. Anything that has vitamin C, I pick up because that is what I need in my life to get rid of these dark spots. It combats skin aging, free radicals, leaving the skin balanced and bright. I just love all of those things. Use on clean skin for added hydration before you apply moisturizer, throughout the day to revive and refresh skin, and after makeup application for a dewy finish. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. I just love this stuff. It smells so delicious. It has just that really yummy lavender scent, which I love. What I do is before I apply like my serums and my moisturizer, I spray this onto the face just to kind of add like a boost of hydration and prep the skin for the rest of my skincare regimen. And I have found that it has really helped my skin. Like, my skin feels super refreshed, it feels hydrated. I know there's other kinds as well. At Ulta, I believe there is a rose water solution that has aloe and herb and rose water. So I'd be curious to see, you know, how those work as well. But when I read the back of this, it said vitamin C, and that's what I'm all about. So if you guys want to add something new to your skincare regimen, then I suggest you guys try one of these products. They're at Ulta, and I believe this was $7, so not bad. So when I was at Ulta, I picked up this next product. First of all, I'm a huge fan of this brand. I have used some of their products within the year, and I've loved every single one that I've tried. This is the Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads. And these are to exfoliate, retexture, and brighten the skin. So what I do with these pads is, after I've cleansed my skin and prepped it for the day or even at night, I will take one of these pads. So it has a little bit of texture on the pad that helps to exfoliate the skin, and I'll basically just take one and just wipe the entire face down. And it's surprising because after I wash my face, I still have makeup on the pad. So it just goes to show that even when you wash your face, it's so good to make sure that you're exfoliating as well, and really trying to remove all your makeup that you've worn throughout the day, because it does stick to the skin. So just to give you guys a little bit of info on these pads, it says that the glycolic acid retextures, resurfaces, the hyaluronic acid moisturizes and refreshes, the blue daisy soothes and calms, and these are to be used once or twice a day, whichever your skin can handle. For me, I have found that I like to use these at night because it kind of gets all the makeup off, exfoliates the skin, and I'm a huge fan of that brand. All right, next up is some beauty products that I recently picked up, and these are just kind of some of my current faves at the moment. So this first one I have used in, I think, 2 of my recent videos. This is the Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this is the metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This highlighter is just amazing. I can't believe how much of a shine that you get off of this. I mean, look at how just pigmented that is. I mean, when you put it on the skin, it just leaves such a pretty finish. And I don't have any highlighter on today, which is kind of odd, but I tried to kind of go with a matte vibe today. But I'll show you guys how it looks on the skin. So if you add it just to the high points of the face, it just adds such a pretty glow. And this specific color is Molten Gold, which is good, I believe, for like more of a darker complexion, but there are some other shades in this line for fair skin. The other thing that I love about this product is that it is not chunky. It's sometimes frustrating when you get a highlighter that's like super chunky and glittery, and this is just super fine and just goes on really smooth. So that is a plus for me as well. All right, next up, this is a bronzer that is on my current favorites list. I've used it in some of my current videos. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I just love this bronzer. It's so pretty on the skin. I'll do a little bit of a swatch and see if I can show you guys. The color, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the color is just a really good color. It's not too warm and it's not too ashy. It's like the perfect mix of the two. It smells like coconut, which I love because it gives me a little bit of that like summer island vibe. But I think my main thing about this product that I love is how smooth it goes on the skin and how just flawless and airbrushed it looks. It just looks so pretty on the skin and just gives you that really pretty like beach glow. This I believe was $14.99 at Walmart. Not a bad price at all. I mean, compared to a lot of bronzers out there in the makeup world, that is a super good price. And not to mention, it comes with a mirror, which is super cool too. It came with a little sponge, but I do not use that. I prefer a brush personally, but such a good bronzer if you guys are looking for a drugstore, cheap, affordable bronzer. Next up, this is a foundation that I picked up because I have read so much about this foundation, how much people loved it, how beautiful their skin looked. I mean, how great coverage it was, so I had to try it out. And this is the Hourglass Vanish foundation. And this is a stick foundation. So basically, you will take this foundation and just apply it to the points of the face that you need coverage, and then you blend it all together, and very little product goes a long way, which is super cool. But what I love about this too is not only does the skin look amazing, and it really does, but that you can just toss this in your purse and just bring it to go. I love products like that are just super easy, on the go, and the color range is super good with this product. If you guys want something that's just like on the go, super blendable, really pretty finish, then I think you guys should pick this up. I believe it is a little bit more though. I think it's like in the $40 range. So if you want a good foundation and you're willing to spend that much money, then this is a good one for you. And I did check too how much product was in this because I was really curious like how much you get for the price. But I mean, look at this. That's quite a bit. And considering for how much goes a long way, it's like no brainer. And I think that you guys would be like super fans of this foundation. It's just super creamy and beautiful. All right, next up are the current lashes that I love. Now I get questions all the time. Are your lashes extensions? Are they real? What are you wearing? Today, I'm not wearing lashes because there's days that I just like to kind of, I don't know, have just a more natural look. But I do love me some lashes. These are my favorites. If you guys are curious, these are mainly the lashes that I wear. They're the Ardell Faux Mink lashes. I've always loved Ardell. I think they're just such a good price point. I've gotten quite a few wears out of mine. I think about 3 on average. But these ones are a lot better quality than the regular Ardells. They're a lot more lightweight, and they have this Invisiband, which is pretty cool. But I just love the style of these. These ones are the Wispies, which are like my ride or die favorites. These ones I love as well, and these are The 812 is the style, but they are so beautiful, you guys. You can get these at Walmart, you can get them at Ulta. Super affordable too, which is awesome. Next up is an oldie but a goodie for me. These are the wipes that have just been like my savior for the longest time, and these are the Kirkland Daily Facial Towelettes. Out of all of the facial wipes that I've used, these are the absolute best. You can get these at Costco. I think a box is like 12 bucks, I wanna say, and you get so many of these bags. And it lasts quite a while for me. My daughter loves to use them as well. They're a thicker towelette, which I love because it allows you to kind of really get the makeup off. Doesn't irritate my skin. I have pretty sensitive skin, and this has never done me wrong. Like, it just has been so good to my skin. It is paraben free, which is awesome. So out of all of the towelettes and makeup removers, these are what I use. If you guys need a good product for a cheap rate, then you need to hit up Costco and pick these up. All right, last but not least, this product has always been in my makeup bag for the longest time, but I recently brought it back to life and used it and remembered why I love it so much. And this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is honestly such a good brow pencil. I used to use this all the time back in the day, and switched over to the Brow by Benefit, which I still love. Like today, I have a more bold brow, so I did use the Brow, which is a gel formula. But if I want just a quick, kind of more natural brow, I will pick this pencil up because it gives you such perfect, fine strokes that look like hair, and it is affordable. I think this is, I wanna say like $9 to $10 at Ulta, and I love it. I am in the shade Ash Brown. It has a spoolie on the end, which is perfect when you need to comb out them brows, make them look nice and pretty. And I did actually use this on a friend of mine, and she loved it as well. So you guys would love this. It is, I think, comparable to the Anastasia pencil, which I used to use back in the day. I would pay like 20-something for that pencil, and either it would break or I would run out like so fast. This, I don't feel as guilty picking another one up when I run out because it's just so affordable. So, all right, you guys, there you have it. That is my March favorites. I am sorry it came a little bit late this month. I've had quite the busy month, but I wanted to share with you guys some of my current favorites, and I'm glad you guys tuned in today. Don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your guys' support and watching my videos. And thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you.